A boat goes 8 kilometers in 1 hour along the stream and 2 kilometers in 1 hour against the stream. The speed in kilometers per hour of the stream is. Now, in this topic of boats and streams, we first of all need to know the basic things. That is, we can assume it like this. A is the speed of the swimmer or the ship in still water. B is the speed of the water body. So upstream speed, we can say it is A minus B, downstream speed is A plus B. Now it is given here along the stream. Along the stream is nothing but downstream speed. Now it is given in 1 hour. So that means it becomes the speed 8 kilometers per hour. So we get the first equation as A plus B is equal to 8. And 2 kilometers in 1 hour against the stream. Against the stream, that means upstream speed. So upstream speed, that is A minus B. So A minus B is given to us as 2. Now these are the datas given to us in this question. We have been asked the speed in kilometers per hour of the stream. Now stream is nothing but your water body. So that means you have to find the value of B. So we'll have to eliminate A here. So let's subtract this second equation from the first. So minus, so this becomes minus, minus of minus is plus, and 8 minus 2. So A gets cancelled out, B plus B, that becomes 2B, and 8 minus 2, that is 6. So 2B is equal to 6, we get B is equal to 3, and therefore our answer becomes option B.